for this evening. To our municipal officials, led by our local government leaders, headed by our beautiful Ate Mayor Jen Moslano, to our handsome Vice Mayor, Kuya Otai, to my fellow SC members who are present this evening, Honorable Kuya Henry Luna, Honorable El Mukusi, Honorable Jasper Sidlaga. To our municipal agriculturist officer, other than my compadre, Turcayo Gerardo Awala, to the chairperson of MAPSI, Turcayo Juan District to the chairperson of MFARC, Mr. Salvador Ochi, to my fellow barangay officials, farmers, fisher folks, agriculture and fisheries stakeholders, and most especially to all our brothers and sisters who work tirelessly in our farms and cities. Good evening and mabuhay po tayo lahat. It is truly an honor for me as the President of the Association of Barangay Captains Cavite to be given this opportunity to share a few words of this meaningful occasion. Tonight is more than just a celebration. This is a celebration of commitment, unity, and service. We are gathered here to witness the uptaking of individuals who have accepted the responsibility of becoming part of our collective effort to strengthen the agriculture and fisheries sector of Bicol. To our soon-to-be inducted members and officers of the agriculture and fisheries organizations, my advance congratulations. Ang inyong panunumpa ngayong gabi ay hindi lamang isang seremonya. It is a commitment to our farmers and fisher folks, our families, and to the future of our community. Mga kabayan, ang magsasaka at mangisda ay tunay na haligi ng ating bayan. Every day that reaches our peoples begins with the hard work of someone in the farm, in the city, or somewhere in our countryside. Kapag may nagtatanim, may umaasa. Kapag may nanisa, may pamilyang napapakain. Kapag ang ating mga magsasaka at ng isla ay umuunlad din, maaari, ang serbisyo ng gobyerno ang dapat lumapit sa magsasaka. And this is where organizations like the Municipal Agriculture and Fisheries Council become important. You are not merely an organization. You are a voice. A voice that tells government what our farmers need. A voice that tells us what our fisher folks experience. A voice that can help identify opportunities, problems, solutions, and programs that will truly benefit our communities. I want you to know that your barangay officials recognize your sacrifices. We may not always be working before sunrise. We may not always see the farmer preparing the land under the heat of the sun. We may not always see the fisher folks going out to sea, while everyone else is still asleep. But we know that your hard work feeds our families and sustains our community. Kaya po, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo at sakripisyo. And I would also like to remind everyone that progress in agriculture and fisheries cannot be achieved by government alone. It requires partnership. Government, farmers, fisher folks, barangay officials, private sector, cooperatives, people's organization, and our youth must work together. Because when we work separately, our efforts can only go so far. But when we work together with one vision and one purpose, we can create lasting change. To our newly sworn members and leaders, your new responsibility comes with a challenge. Be the kind of leaders who listen. Makinig kayo sa boses ng ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Be the kind of leaders who do not only attend meetings, but bring the concerns of the community to the proper offices. Be leaders who do not ask, what can I gain? But instead ask, what can I contribute? And above all, be leaders who understand that leadership is not about position. Leadership is about service. Ang tunay na leader ay hindi lamang nakikita kapag may programa o selebrasyon. Ang tunay na leader ay naroon kapag may problema, may nangangailangan at may komunidad na naghahanap ng solusyon. So our local government and our partners from the Department of Agriculture, we sincerely hope that the partnership between the LGU of Iga, the barangays, the Department of Agriculture, and our farmers and fisher folks will continue to grow this summer. Let us work together for programs that are practical, sustainable, and responsive to the actual needs of our people. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening.
Hanggang dito na lamang po ang pagbablog ko. Welcome to my channel. I'm Newton. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sa inyo.